Thanks for stopping in at Mima's place today. It's going to be a project share and not a tutorial because these days in my area we've had a lot of rain. We had 2 days of sun and then it's back to the dreary rain and overcast. So I decided let's do some card making. So that's what I decided to do. I have some other projects that are in process right now, but until they're done and I complete everything on them, I'm going to show the cards that I've made in the interim of that. This is one of them. This is the flower die that I have. That again, these dies and what I have will be posted at the bottom of the video. But this is just one of them, sending hugs. And then I went ahead and I put some blue here. And this blue is the Distress Oxide ink from Ranger, this particular one. I love this color. Blue's my favorite color, but I like all kinds of colors of blues, and even aqua blues and teals. They're all very pretty. But anyway, I didn't put anything inside. I may put something later in this. So then I went from that one to this one, and I printed out a lattice from my scanning cut that I had saved from a couple of videos back. And I enlarged it, and then I made this, and then I printed this things out on my printer. And these are little sunflowers. Now, I use them as also daisies, but they're really sunflowers. I know that. So I didn't put anything in this one. So then I thought, well, you know what? I'm going to do some different colors. We need to branch out a little bit. So I did a purple one. And I said, it's a day all wrapped up in joy. And then I put some flowers in there too. And I thought that turned out pretty good. And then I thought, well, why not do some slim lines? So I decided to do some slim line ones. Slim line, I'll get that word straight. And this one says, have a perfect day. So I use these little kittens. These are from the stickers that Dollar Tree sells. And I just do, I haven't put anything in here, but I'm thinking I'm going to go back and put some things in there. I'm not sure what, but just thought I'd share it in the meantime. And then lastly, I did this one for the home. I thought this turned out beautiful. Now, mind you, this is actually wallpaper back here. I used, Dollar Tree has some different color wallpapers, and I thought, you know what? I'm going to use that on my card. And so that's what I did, and I had this sticker already from Dollar Tree, and I used that one. Then I have these dies here, and again, I'll be posting that at the bottom, so I used those. And then I looked up an acronym for family, and it says, forever always means I love you. So I thought that was pretty nice to use. Again, I didn't put anything inside this one. So this is a short project share just for today. I do thank you for stopping by. I know that there's other channels you can be watching, and I'm so glad that you stopped by Mima's place today to take a look at what project shares we had for today. So if you need, you can make these. They're easy to make, but it's just part of it's a rainy day outside. It was a time to create. Normally what I do is I pop some popcorn, maybe make some cookies and watch a good movie. But this time I decided, I'm going to do something slightly a little bit more healthier. And so I created these cards. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I do appreciate you so much. Do like, share, and subscribe if you like these videos. All right, and give me a thumbs up. Until the next time you stop by my place. Bye-bye. Love you, and so do I. Bye.